A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to English Grammar online class. Students, this is a video for class 4 English Grammar lesson number 8 part 2 exercises. And the topic is the noun possessive form. As you know, in the previous class, we discussed about this topic, the noun possessive form. So let us once again revise this topic. The possessive form of a noun is used to show belonging or ownership. We already discussed in the previous class what is possessive form. The possessive form of a noun is used to show belonging or ownership. We also studied about the formation of possessive form. How to form possessive form. We have also seen in the previous class that the sentences which we write in possessive form, they are shorter and read better. We form possessive form by adding apostrophe s with the words which are not ended with s, whether it is singular or plural. We form possessive form by adding only apostrophe with the words which are ended with s. And two important points we have also discussed in the previous class. The possessive case is mainly used with the names of living things. This is very important. The possessive case is mainly used with the names of living things. And we use of, preposition of, to show the possessive case of non-living things. Now in this class, we are going to start exercises. So everyone, open page number 43. Mention today's date on page number 43. Exercise A. We'll start with exercise A. Form the possessive case of the following group of words. So in this exercise, what you have to do, you can see 10 sentences are given here. You have to form the possessive case of these group of words. Okay. So these groups of words, what you have to do, you have to form the possessive case. So let us start. First, let us discuss, then I'll show you the answers. First is the speech of the president. So, president, the speech of the president. How you can write this sentence if you want to form the possessive case? Yes, by adding apostrophe s, because president is not ended in s. So, we will use apostrophe s to form possessive case. The president's speech. Don't write. Just now we are discussing. After that, I'll show you the answers, then you will note down. The kingdom of Emperor Ashoka. Emperor Ashoka. This is also not ended in s. So we will add apostrophe s. Emperor Ashoka's kingdom. The teachings of Buddha. So Buddha, that is also not ended in s. So how you will form Buddha's teachings? You can see na belongingness, ownership, है ना? So speech belongs to president, kingdom belongs to Ashoka, teaching belongs to Buddha, like this. The constitution of India. India is also not ended in s. So the answer will be India's constitution. We will add apostrophe s. The plays of William Shakespeare. Plays belong to William Shakespeare. So William Shakespeare's plays, apostrophe s. The poetry of William Wordsworth. Here also we'll use apostrophe S. William Wordsworth's poetry, because poetry belongs to William Wordsworth. The essays of Francis Bacon. Francis Bacon. The essays belong to Francis Bacon. So Francis Bacon's essays. Here also we are using apostrophe S. The writings of Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb's writings. The collective works of William Blake. William Blake's collected works. The novels of R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan's novels. So here whatever sentences are given, we have in all the sentences we have added apostrophe S. We have used apostrophe S. Okay. Now let us see the answers. Everyone, you can note down these answers in your book. See the first one, President's speech. Speech belongs to president. So apostrophe S we have used here. Emperor Ashoka's kingdom. Kingdom belongs to Emperor Ashoka. So we have here also we have used apostrophe S. Buddha's teachings. Teachings belong to Buddha. So here also we have added apostrophe S to form possessive case. Note down the answers carefully. India's constitution. Here also India is not ended with S now. So we have added apostrophe S. William Shakespeare's plays. Here also apostrophe S, because William Shakespeare is also not ended with S. You know this thing very well. They're the words which are not ended with S. We add apostrophe S to form possessive case. William Wordsworth's poetry. Apostrophe S. Francis Bacon's essays. Apostrophe S. You can see all the words are not ended with S, so we are adding apostrophe S to show the possessive form. Charles Lamb's writings. Writings belong to Charles Lamb, so Charles Lamb's writings. William Blake's collected works. Apostrophe S. R.K. Narayan's novels. Here also apostrophe S we have used. So I hope you have noted down these answers in your book. Keep your writing clean. Write neatly. Now let us start with exercise B. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the words in color to the possessive case. So here we are to rewrite the sentences, but the words which are given in pink color, we have to change them in the possessive case. Okay, we have to change them to show the possessive form. Like, the hostel of boys is not very far from here. So, hostel of boys. Boys you can see ended in S. Here you can see boys. It is ended in S. So, if the word is ended in S, to show the possessive case, what we will do? We will add only apostrophe. Like in the answer you can see only apostrophe we will add. The boys' hostel is not far from here, like this. Write your answers carefully. Take care while using apostrophe and apostrophe S. Right? The costumes of singers are attractive. Here also you can see singers. Costumes belong to singers. Here you can see singers. It is ended in S. So, costumes of singers, how you will form? Singers, only apostrophe we will use. The singers' costumes are attractive. The long and colorful feathers of a peacock attract everyone. Here, peacock, you can see. Peacock is not ended in S. So what we will do? We will add apostrophe S to show the possessive form. The long and colorful peacock's feathers attract everyone. Like this. Write down the answers carefully. The novels of Leo Tolstoy are popular the world over. So, novels belong to Leo Tolstoy. So, here also we will add apostrophe S. Leo Tolstoy's novels are popular the world over. The speech of Antony was very powerful. Here also Antony is not ended with S. So, what we will use? Apostrophe S. So, Antony's speech was very powerful. Write down the answers in your book. Now come to number 6. The mane of this horse is very long. Here also you can see horse. Horse is not ended in S. So apostrophe S we will use. The horse mane is very long. The toys of babies are sold in this shop. Babies. Here you can see babies is ended in S. It is plural and you can see it is ended in S. So we will add only apostrophe here. Babies' toys are sold in this shop. Write down the answer carefully. The songs of Kishore Kumar are very popular. Songs belong to Kishore Kumar and Kishore Kumar is not ended in S. So we will add apostrophe S to show possessive case. Kishore Kumar's songs are very popular. This law will safeguard the rights of the people. Rights of the people. People. It is not ended in S. So, this law will safeguard the people's apostrophe S. We will use people's rights. The house of my friend is near this park. House of my friend. Friend is not ended in S. So, my friend's house, to show the possessive form, we will add apostrophe S here. My friend's house is near this park. So, write down the answer carefully, everyone. You have to rewrite the sentence by using a possessive case, by adding apostrophe S or only apostrophe. Take care, the words which are ended in S we are using only apostrophe, and the words which are not ended in S we are using apostrophe S to show the possessive form. Keep your writing clean. I hope you have written these answers in your book. Now, come to next exercises. You have already seen in this chapter where you have to use apostrophe and where you have to use apostrophe S, right? So exercise C you will do in the homework. C and D both exercise you will do in the homework. What you have to do in this exercise, let us see. Choose the correct possessive form, apostrophe S or apostrophe. You can see 4 pictures are given here. Like first picture is of ant, you can see. So ant is singular here, you can see it's a single picture. Okay, singular ant is one ant is there. So you have to see what will be the answer, ant's legs or ant's legs. Meaning is same, no problem, but it depends on the singular and plural. Like it is single ant. So what will be the answer? Ant's legs. Like this you have to tick. Okay. In the second picture also you have to see it is singular or plural, according to that which answer will be correct. In third one and in fourth one, like this you have to do. And in exercise D. In exercise D, tick the correct possessive form. Here pictures are given. According to the picture, possessive form you have to, possessive form. Just remember, possessive form you have to find out. So the handle of the bag, the bag's handle. So what will be the correct? The handle of the bag, the bag's handle. Yeah, the handle of the bag will be correct. Why it is correct? Because bag is non-living thing, and we have seen in the chapter that non-living things to show the possessive case of non-living things, we add of, not apostrophe s or apostrophe. Okay. In number 2, the tail of the cat. The cat's tail. Cat is animal. It is living thing. So to form the possessive case of living things, what we will use? Apostrophe s or apostrophe. And it is cat. Cat is not ended in s. So what will be the answer? Cat's tail. So like this, number 3 and 4 you have to do in your homework. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.